Hey everyone, Ryan Dement. Hope you guys are having a great 2018. And I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what I'm working on 2018. I'm a little bit passionate about this one. There doesn't seem to be any type of automation when it comes to note investing in our due diligence that we perform on a daily basis. I spend anywhere between 3 to 5 hours a day, sometimes more, looking at tapes, trying to decipher the way that the tape is set up, looking for the assets, looking for the items that I'm trying to do my due diligence on. Well, I'm on a mission. I've been on one for about 90 days, but I'm really on a mission now, as I've already started having meetings with programmers and web developers to figure out where we're at and what we can actually do to develop a platform. And I want to start sharing with you my experience, the journey, and also what it's going to end up like. But the one thing I need from you is feedback. What things are you looking for in a platform that could automate and give you back 3 to 5 hours of your life every day? Or even better yet, upload a file while you're sleeping and give you the data once you wake up. I mean, those are the things I'm really looking to do. So love to have your feedback. What are you looking for in an automation from a due diligence perspective? And then we'll go from there. And I look forward to talking to you guys very soon. Have a great day and Happy New Year.